All right, well, we're now at our Airbnb, which is a very sweet 2-bedroom, 2-bath house in the Baca. You can see we're right on the edge of Kit Carson. That's either Crestone Peak or Crestone Needle or both, right in that hole, because they're right next to each other. Really cool Colorado bee plant in the parking lot here, otherwise known as Cleome. And also wanted to show you this crazy ground cover with these dry little weird seed bombs. Anybody know what that is? Let me know. I can go 1x. What are we doing here? Oh, I can only go bigger. Let's go up the road. That is the San Luis Valley down there. I'll light that up for you. Yes, that is a porta potty at the end of the road. Very convenient. I knew that was going to happen. So this forest at this elevation here consists predominantly of pinyon pine, which I'm looking at, and it looks like there was a good crop of pinyon. You can see the pinyon there. That's where the nuts are, the pine nuts. There's a small one in front here. You actually come in here and see those pine nuts. They cost like 30 bucks a pound in the store.
We have bears here, so make sure you lock the car.
Yeah, well aware. So, it's a foreign woman just tried to tell me about bears. That one pine nut is floated with pine nuts.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, we should collect some.
And they're cracked open, so they're easy to get.
Nice.
She told me there's bears here. Lock your doors.
I heard. Don't find them for bears, but look at stuff.
Stop. So this area, Crestone, I probably already told you this, called the Baca. While Crestone only has 260 residents, Crestone proper, the suburbs, has about, I believe, 20,000 people, or is it?
2,000?
Okay, 2,000 then.
I was gonna say maybe 2,000.
Yeah, and if you go up for about 6 miles this way, there's just houses and lots on the entire flank here for maybe 10 miles. Small lots, 1 to 3 acre lots.
Typically, yeah.
There's a lot of houses here. It might be 20K. Probably not. It's probably 2,000.
I think it's more like 2,000. Yeah. If it was 20,000, you would need an actual grocery store here.
Yeah.
We don't even have. We have like what? 3,000 residents in Pagosa, the town of Pagosa.
Yeah, but Archuletta's
Archuletta's
29,
more like
28,000.
20 to 30,000, but
So it's 2,000 here. So that is the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. And we're chilling. Not going to be doing an update tonight. Nothing significant happening with space weather. Maybe we'll get into low-level geomagnetic storm. G1, but nothing really spectacular tonight. There is a chance for aurora, however, so get out and look up. No significant earthquakes today or volcanic eruptions. And we're not yet in full-blown World War III yet, so that's nice. That cloud's nice. I'm trying to get you the right angle there. Wow.
That's like heaven right there.
God's country.
There was a sky like that in Lower Blanco recently. It was like, "Ah." What's the dark spot down there?
Yeah, it's a big tree. Is it a hut?
No,
Can you guys see that in the middle of San Luis Valley?
I don't think that's a hut. I think it's way too big, just based on the distance.
Right in between here in the middle of the valley, there's a little, oh, let me blow it up. See this dark spot? Wow, the alien spot. What is that? It's huge. I think the mothership landed. It's moving.
If the mothership's going to land anywhere, it's going to land here, so it makes sense.
Yeah.
You wanna keep walking up the road?
I want to get a picture of this cloud again. I want more people to tell me about bears.
Like we need help with that.
Yeah.
We know all
I
about
always felt
bears.
like saying, lady, we got a big bear.
We know all about bears.
We got bears. Oh, Jesus is right behind that cloud. Look at that. Here comes a car. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow at the Crestone Energy Fair. Be safe.